please apply a perfume that is not going to disturb people. Sometimes we apply perfume that smells like mango pickle. And, people around us, I have had times when I get a headache. I've gone to the masjid or somewhere and you pass someone and you're wondering, is it a smell of, what is it of, If I am told not to go to the masjid with the scent of garlic and onion, then what about that of a terrible perfume of today where it's literally stinking? May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala grant us an understanding. We must make sure that the scent is good. It is beautiful. It is not so overpowering that people get headaches. Not everyone is on your level. When I was a little bit younger, I used to apply perfume for a lot of people. And sometimes some uncles would say, please don't apply for me, I get a headache. And I used to but this is a sunnah, you're not allowed to refuse it. Until I learned you are allowed to refuse it if you have a reason to refuse it. You get headache.